Hi, Doc Ray. Kompleto na.
Depa. 1, 2, 3. Ito pa. 1, 2.
For such a momentous occasion as today.
And now, to give us the welcome address and acknowledgement of guests, may I call on our very passionate and beautiful dentist and an incoming Vice President of Camarines Norte Dental Chapter, Dr. Grace A. Deviana. Let's give her a round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. Morning. Oral health is a key indicator of overall health and quality of life. Oral health plays a vital role in the physical, mental, and economic well-being of an individual. The Department of Health implements various oral health programs aimed to improve oral health of the Filipino across different lifestyles. This program emphasizes on prevention, promotion, and curative dental care,